Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jackie if you're new here, and today I'm unboxing my custom-made shampoo and conditioner from Formulate. Now for those of you who don't know what Formulate is, I'm going to try to hide my address here. I'll keep it short. It is an online service, and let's say it's a lab where they custom make your shampoo and conditioner depending on your needs. And the process is very simple. You just go online, you have to answer a few questions, simple questions like if you dye your hair, do you have gray hair, or like what kind of environment do you live in. And they also let you pick several ingredients for specific needs. So for example, if you have dry hair or if you want to promote growth, you can choose specific ingredients that will promote growth and ingredients like that. So there's several ingredients you can choose from, and at the end they gather all that information and they give you your custom make shampoo and conditioner. So I haven't opened the box yet, so I haven't tried it yet. If you guys have seen the conditioner of my hair, I've been trying to restore it by just cutting the ends every month and applying coconut oil once a week or twice a week. I am trying to restore my hair, hence the big root. I've been avoiding doing my hair or applying any type of bleach, hair dye, toners for I think now 4 months, just because I was feeling I don't know, the texture of my hair has changed a lot, and that is because I dye my hair very regularly. And yeah, so I was very happy when Sam from Formulate, thank you Sam, contacted me to know if I want to try their products, and I said yes, absolutely. So I just want to take note actually of the state of my hair. It's looking very dry, and what happens when your hair is dry, it breaks. And I've been noticing a lot that my hair is just falling out, and it's really giving me anxiety. So this is very much needed. Let's get to open this box here. I've got my scissors ready to see what is going on. I'm gonna open it. Always away, not towards you. Okay. Alright. That's the only. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. Let's open it here. Ah! Okay, so it says here, formulated just for you, customized, personal care. That is amazing. Look at this. Okay, so this is the box. So I lowered the intensity of my lights so you guys can see what it looks inside. So this is it right here, and there's a note here that says to Jackie Escobar, because that's my last name. Formulate. The journey begins. Welcome to Formulate. This package includes your initial formulations for your customized shampoo and conditioner. After a few uses, please download our app to let us know how these ingredients worked for you. From there, we will work together to optimize your formulas based on your feedback. We can't wait to hear from you, Jackie. This is so sweet. Look at this, guys. Okay, so this is the note, and when I open this, there's something. Oh, okay. So here, I don't know if you guys could see. I'll show a close-up, okay? So this is all the answers to the questions that I answered. So this is very cool because I kind of forgot what I chose. So basically, this is you. So they asked me what color my natural hair was, and I chose brown. I chose fine hair, dry hair, wavy hair, long hair, not a sensitive scalp, What's next? Then it says this is where you're going. So basically that's what I wanted as a result after using my customized shampoo and conditioner. Mend split ends. I have so much split ends. That's why I'm trying to cut my hair every like month. I want to replenish my hair, deep condition my hair, and I needed like the anti-frizz just because I struggle a lot with like frizzies going, you know, in every direction, and I kind of want to tame that down. So I chose an anti-frizz, and then you have like a literal how-to directions type of thing. So you have the shampoo, how to use the shampoo and conditioner. It says this is how you will smell. This is very interesting because they actually you can actually choose your scent for your shampoo and conditioner. I chose I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Tidal. So Tidal is a swirl of the shore with mineral notes from the sea, sun-drenched sand, enriched coconut, light and lifting. This coastal scent will carry you through the day. No waves needed. I am a beach girl. I love the beach. I love everything coconut. So that's why I chose this scent right here. Okay, so let's check what's in the box. I haven't looked yet. Oh, wow. This is cool packaging. Look at this. This is a shampoo. It's sealed. Yes, I love this. Oh, this is so cool. I am all about packaging, and this is the situation here. Formulate. So here in the back it says personalized shampoo, personalized conditioner, and it comes with the pops. So I guess you can replace these. I can't wait to try these. I am super excited, and I'm putting foundation all over the box. So annoying. Of course, I'm gonna be doing an update to show you guys how my hair looks. I cannot wait to show you guys my results. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing an update, and I'm gonna be basically just noting the progress of how my hair is looking from start to end. And you know, sometimes we do wonder if something like this will work, you know, something that is a little bit more pricey compared to the drugstore range. I want to thank Sam. Sam, thank you so much for sending me these goodies. I am so excited. Thank you so much for contacting me. Obviously, thank you so much to Formulate. And yeah, so guys, that is it for my unboxing video. If you guys have any questions about Formulate, please write to me in the comment section below. If I cannot answer them, I'll contact Sam in your behalf, and we'll try to get to the bottom of this. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.